Dear students, today we want to discuss exercise 1.3, problem number 1, NCERT book class 10. Now these are very easy problem. So the problem 1 given, prove that root 5 is irrational. We know root 5 is irrational, root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7, these are irrational number. Now how we can prove this? So we want to prove root 5 is irrational. Let us assume to the contrary that root 5 is rational. We assume root 5 is rational. Actually not rational, but we assume this one rational. So if root 5 is rational, then root 5 can be written as a by b form, where a and b are coprime. These two are coprime. Coprime means they have not any common factors except other than 1. So this equal to a equal to root 5 b. If we squaring both sides, then we get a square equal to 5 b square. This one we get. Now I recall the simple logic. Suppose 10 equal to 2 into 5. We can say 10 is divisible by 5, or 10 is divisible by 10 is divisible by 5, 10 is divisible by 2. If 10 is divisible by 2, then we can write 10 equal to 2 into something. This m means 5. So if 10 can be expressed 2 into something, this represents 10 is divisible by 2. And if we write 10 equal to 5 into something for some integer m, then this represents 10 is divisible by 5. But here we get a square equal to 5 into something, a square equal to 5 into something. By the same reason, we can write a square is divisible by 5. A square is divisible by 5. Now again, suppose 25 means 5 square. 5 square is divisible by 5. If we remove square, then 5 is divisible by 5. So 5 square means 25 is divisible by 5. If we cancel this square, then 5 also divisible by 5. A square is divisible by 5. If we remove this a, then if we remove this 2, then a is divisible by 5. A is divisible by 5. We can write in this way. Again, if 10 equal to 5 into something, this represents 10 is divisible by 5. Or 10 is divisible by 5 means we can write 10 equal to 5 into something. A is divisible by 5, we can write a equal to 5 into something. For some integer m, Now we putting this value of a in equation number, here we consider this is number 1. Putting the value of a in equation number 1, now 1 implies, if we putting here a means 5m, putting here 5m equal to 5b square. This is 25m square equal to 5b square. 5 cancel. 5m square equal to b square, or b square equal to 5m square. So what we get? B square equal to 5m square. If 10 equal to 5 into m, then 10 is divisible by 5. B square equal to 5 into m square, that means 5 into something, then this represents b square. So b square is divisible by 5. B square is divisible by 5. This represents B square is divisible by 5. If B square is divisible by 5, then if we cancel this square, then B is also divisible by 5. B is also divisible by 5. So what we get? Here we get A is divisible by 5 and here we get B is divisible by 5. Now originally we consider A and B are co-prime. No common factor between A and B, but we consider A and B co-prime, but we get 5 is divisible by A is divisible by 5, B is divisible by 5. Thus, A is divisible by 5 implies B is divisible by 5. A is divisible by 5, B is also divisible by 5. Therefore, A and B have at least A and B have at least 5 as a common factor. A and B at least 5 as a common factor, but actually it has no common factor because both the numbers are co-prime. So we get a contradiction. So this rule, this one against our supposition. So but this contradicts the fact that this contradicts the fact that A and B have no common factor. A and B have no common factor other than 1. Only 1 is the common factor. Other no common factor we have, but this contradicts the fact that A and B have no common factor other than 1. So, but this contradicts the fact that A and B have no common factors other than 1. Only 1 is the common factor and other no common factor we have. So we get this contradiction. This contradiction has arisen because of our incorrect assumption that root 5 is rational. So our assumption is wrong. Root 5 is rational. So we conclude that root 5 is irrational. Root 5 is irrational. Root 5 is not rational. So we conclude that root 5 is irrational because our supposition is wrong. We consider root 5 is rational, but after calculation we conclude that root 5 is not rational, root 5 is irrational. This is the proof. Now we consider problem number 2. Prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Now we want to prove this solution. Let us assume to the contrary that assume to the contrary that 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational. So we consider 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational. If 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational, therefore we can write 3 plus 2 root 5 equal to a by b, where a and b are coprime. A and b are coprime. So we get this one. Now, so this is rational, means rational number always we express a by b form and b cannot be 0. So 2 root 5 equal to a by b minus 3. So this will be root 5 equal to a by 2 root 5 minus 3 by 2. So what we get, a by b is rational. If we multiply denominator by 2, then also rational, and 3 by 2 also rational, because a and b are integers. So this expression is a rational. So since a and b are integers, we get a by twice b minus 3 by 2. A by twice b minus 3 by 2 is rational. This is a rational number, and so a by twice b minus 3 by 2 equal to root 5. A by twice b minus 3 by 2 equal to root 5. So you consider one simple logic. Suppose p equal to 2. 2 is even number, then we can say p also even number, because p equal to 2. Yes. So 2 is even number, then p is also even number. So this is rational equal to root 5. So obviously this is rational. So this is rational, and so this by this is rational. But actually no, root 5 is not rational. Root 5 is not rational, but this contradicts the fact that root 5 is rational. But this contradicts the fact that root 5 is rational. So, but this contradicts the fact that root 5 is irrational. This contradiction has arisen because of our incorrect incorrect assumption of or incorrect assumption that 3 plus 2 root 5 3 plus 2 root 5 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational. So our assumption is wrong. This contradiction has arisen because of our incorrect assumption that 3 plus root 5 is rational. So we conclude that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. So this is our proof, hence proof. So proof is nothing, just you have to remember the logic. So without logic, this is not possible to solve. You have to maintain some logic. So dear students, do you like this solution? So solution is nothing, just practice. Mathematics, main medicine is practice. So if this solution is easy, then please subscribe my channel, like this video and click the bell icon. Thank you.